They are saying an aeroplane as a run of 500 meter. So can I say 500 meter is nothing but a displacement, right? So हम given में सबसे पहले displacement ले लेंगे and that is nothing but 500 meter. To take off from runway, it start from rest and move with constant acceleration. So here it is clearly stating it is starting from rest. Starting from rest, that means initial velocity is 0 meter per second with constant acceleration. Acceleration is not given, but they are saying acceleration over here it's constant. To cover a runway in 30 seconds, that means time period is given as 30 seconds. Okay. What is the velocity of the aeroplane to take off? So they are asking you the final velocity, right? Now, how will you determine? With the help of what? Kinematical equation. If you check with kinematical equation, so we have the first formula v is equals to u plus at, right? और हमारे पास थर्ड फॉर्मूला है वी स्क्वायर इज इक्वल्स टू यू स्क्वायर प्लस ट्वाइस ऑफ ए एस. ठीक है. तो अगर मुझे फाइनल वेलोसिटी चाहिए तो या तो मैं फर्स्ट वाले के साथ जा सकती हूँ और एल्स आई कैन गो विद द थर्ड वन. बट इफ यू ऑब्जर्व तो दोनों ही केसेस में आपको क्या रिक्वायर्ड होगा? एक्सेलरेशन. ओके. इवन इन दिस केस ऑल्सो आपको एक्सेलरेशन रिक्वायर्ड है. दैट मीन्स पहले आपको एक्सेलरेशन डिटरमाइन करना है एंड देन यू आर सपोज टू फाइंड अ फाइनल वेलोसिटी. आई होप यू आर क्लियर. सो चलो लेट्स स्टार्ट विद दिस. नाउ starting we can find the acceleration with the help of second kinematical equation. S is equals to ut plus half at square. Just substitute the values accordingly. So displacement is nothing but 500 meter. Initial velocity is 0. So if you multiply 0 with 30 second, it will give you nothing but 0. Again we have half a. And what is the time period? It is nothing but 30 bracket raised to whole square. So 500 as it is. This is 0. You can eliminate that term. Half 30 square is nothing but 900 multiplied by what? A. You can simplify this. Ones and this one would be something 450. Can I say therefore acceleration would be nothing but 500 को हम divide करेंगे किससे? 450 से, right? So simplify this. You can go with 5 tens and this is 9s and it would be 10 by 9 meter per second square. So I can say मेरे पास acceleration है. Now I just need to go with either second or either first or third formula. I can find first one as like simple. So चलो देखते. Final velocity is u plus at. So u is 0 over here plus acceleration is 10 by 9 multiplied by what? 30. Okay. So 10 30s are, this will give you 300 divided by 9. Simplify these terms. So you will be getting around चलो देखते. So you will be getting around one more thing. If you are finding aeroplane velocity, so you can go with kilometer per hour. No issues if you go with like meter per second. So this value is like in meter per second. Okay. सेम थिंग इफ आई वाइंड अप विथ किलोमीटर पर आवर तो मुझे क्या करना पड़ेगा? इसको 18/5 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा, राइट? सिंप्लीफाई करो इसको. सो 5 1s एंड दिस इज 6 60s 9 1s और ये कितना 2s. Therefore final velocity seems like 120 kilometer per hour. Okay. So just highlight your answer. I hope you guys are clear with the solution. If you have any doubt, So please post it in comment section. Okay. So I'm just highlighting the answer. Thank you.